Hi, this is John from portablefreewaregames.com, and I'm not here to show you a game. I'm here to show you something a wee bit different. What it is it's a portable browser, internet browser, that uses different IP addresses every time you use it, from all over the world. So when you log onto a website, the website has no idea where you really come from, and it increases your privacy. It gives you back your privacy that you might have lost with other browsers. It's capable of quite a few other things as well, and I'll get around to that in a minute. So anyway, let's download it. So you go to your browser, and you type in torproject.org. I want you to scroll down this page a wee bit till you get to the bit that says Our Projects. I want you to choose the Tor Browser, click, and click again to download the browser. And now you've got to choose what language you want and what operating system you want. I'll be looking for the English 32-bit, so this is it here. Click on that and then save. And this is the file here that you'll download. Tor Browser install.exe. It's an exe file, it's an executable file, and when it says install, it doesn't really install. It basically unpacks all the information on it, whatever your installer file is. So as you can see, mine's on the desktop, and when I go to install this in a minute, it'll unpack it onto the desktop. So let's double click this, select the language, English, OK, and here we go, select a location. Like I said, by default it'll unpack the same location that the installer's on, which is the desktop. So I'll just choose that, install. And the most obvious reason for somebody wanting to use this software is that, I don't know about where you are, but in Britain, the broadband providers, the internet service providers, have basically been banning or blacklisting a lot of websites, particularly to do with the file sharing, torrent sites. For people that download all the time like I do, this is a bit of a nuisance, but this is the answer to the problem. And this is the file here, unpacked. It's all in one wee folder, Tor Browser folder. And like I said, you can take it anywhere with you. You can put it on a flash drive and take it to work, or take it to school. But anyway, let's have a wee look at what I was talking about with the sites getting blacklisted or banned. So this could be any browser. I'm going to use Mozilla Firefox, but it really doesn't matter what browser you use. If your ISP is banning a website, you're not going to be able to access it at all. So let's try extratorrent.cc. Here we go, access blocked. Sorry, this website extratorrent.cc is not available through your service provider. I'll try another. Let's try the Pirate Bay, probably the best known torrent site. Okay, the piratebay.casa. Sorry, this website, the piratebay.casa, is not available through your service provider. And for a lot of people, that would be it. They wouldn't know how to access it. They would just take it for granted that if it was blacklisted or blocked, then you wouldn't be able to access it. But you can using this software. So let's go into the folder, start Tor Browser, connect to the Tor network. And the way this works is that there's a network all over the world, mostly in Europe, but all over the world, and it bounces your IP off of their IP. So it looks like they come from Germany or Romania or Canada or Spain or wherever, just about anywhere, any country you can think of really. So here we go, welcome to Tor Browser. Let's try one of these sites I was telling you about. Let's try extratorrent. extratorrent.cc. Here we go, I'm not a robot. Click on that wee capture. Here we go, this is a different type of capture. Select all images with a storefront. Verify. And here we go, this is accessing that website that you couldn't access before, extratorrent.cc. My favourite torrent site, to tell you the truth, that's why I used it. Let's try the Pirate Bay and see if we can access the Pirate Bay. piratebay.casa. Again, we need to do one of these capture things. Here we go, I'm not a robot. Select all the images with street numbers. So that, and that. Again, there. Again. Verify. And here we go. The piratebay.casa. Looks like there's supposed to be an image here or something. Something is back. Click here to access it. I've not used this website for a while actually, so I don't know what's been going on with it. I know that it's blacklisted and it's blocked, but that's about it. Let's see where this link takes us. Cat AM Kick-Ass Torrents. There's another good torrent site. Again, I've not used that for a while either. Select all the images with a house. Verify. Here we go, Kick-Ass Torrents. I went looking for the Pirate Bay and I ended up at Kick-Ass Torrents. There must be a deal between the two websites to promote each other. Like I said before, I haven't used either one of them for a long time, so I couldn't really tell you exactly what's going on, but I know that it was blocked and you can't access it using any other browser, but you can access it using Tor. And that's about all I want to show you really. The Tor project, the makers of this browser, I've got a lot of other projects, and I might make another tutorial on another one of the projects at a later time. But anyway, now you know how to get around the broadband blocks on certain websites. You can access wherever you want to go unimpeded. So I hope you download this software. I hope you have a lot of fun surfing around the net using this software, and I hope you subscribe. Thanks for watching.